Okay, you see that nut right there? That bolt? That's the pickup tube for the oil. And that's one of the reasons I pulled this pan off, is so that I can take that out, because that's got a bolt right to the bottom of the dadgum oil pump. Okay, and that's a 10 millimeter. And then these they are 15 right there. And I have metrics to go inside there if I need to do that. And that's going to be about a 15 or 16. It's just all basic stuff, fellas. All the way around your pan, you got tins. The side over here on this cooler goes up to the radiator, the cooling tubing, that's tins. There are tins everywhere. And then, well, 15 on the shroud cover for the torque converter bolt, the torque converter itself, and the flywheel cover. And that was a lot easier than pulling that exhaust apart. It was. And I got plenty of room to be able to slide that transmission back. And if I have to, I can lay it down. And if I have to, I could take that right there loose. Should be a couple bolts on that. I'm gonna look at it. I'll let you know.